Hello, I am Kunal Shinde. Welcome to the online seminar for the pre-PhD coursework 2024 organized by the Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Marathwada University, Chhatrapati, Sambhajinagar. My seminar topic is application of GIS and remote sensing in water quality monitoring under the guidance of Dr. Pramod Dokne sir at Ankush Rao Tope College, Jalna Research Center. Let's start with introduction of GIS. GIS is like a complex machine with several working parts. The hardware provides the computing power, the software acts as the control panel, the data is the fuel, the people are the operators, and the methods are the recipes that transform the data into useful information. Each components play the virtual role in ensuring the system function efficiently and deliver valuable outputs. So basically, so GIS it's integrate the uh, various type of to help the visualize, analyze, and interpret the spatial data in various fields, including the urban planning, environmental management, agriculture, water management, etc. So there is a main components in GIS like hardware, software, data, people, and method. In the hardware, computers that needs to run the GIS software. So hardware is a necessary. Then the software, the specialized program of the data input, manipulation, analysis, and visualization. Like example, including ArcGIS, QGIS, ERDAS imaging. Then third one is the data. Data is geographic information like a map, satellite imagery, and tabular data with the spatial coordinate. Fourth one is the people. GIS specialist analyst and users who interact with the systems. These professionals have expertise in the data management analysis using this GIS tool. Last one is a method. So this method like techniques for the data collection analysis and creating maps and reports also. So this involve procedure for the data cleaning, spatial analysis and cartographic principle for the effective map design. Then next is a what can you do with the GIS? So the GIS application are vast for from analyzing crime patterns into a tracking deforestation in the Amazon rainforest. So GIS play a crucial role in various sectors, empowers us to visualize complex data, identify the relationship between geographic feature to make the informed decisions about our planet. For instance, a conservation organization might use a GIS map wildlife and identify area threatened by human. Then next, let's see the how GIS work. So GIS processing involves collecting, storing, analyzing, and visualizing geographic data to support decision making. So GIS mapping and analysis. So data collection, data storage, data analysis, and visualize are the main components we can say or main sources in a GIS. So in my research, so data integration like combine water quality data with spatial data using the GIS software like ArcGIS, QGIS. Then using the spatial analysis like use a GIS tool for map water quality parameters and identify the pollution sources. Then visualization. So I will create the thematic map to represent different water quality indicators like examples like map showing the TDS level at the various various sampling points. So there is a two main types data types of GIS like a raster data. So raster data is nothing but just an image. We can say the like satellite image, drone image, or a DEM image, basically used for the elevation. Then vector data. Vector data represent like point, line, polygon. Suppose we have to show some features like temple, hospital, colleges. So we can use the point feature as Then for the line feature, if you want to show the like road network, rail network, or a telephone network, in that case we use the line feature. And then last one is a polygon feature. Polygon feature mainly used for the like agriculture part, land use, land cover data. Like suppose you want to show the forest area, so in that case, or you can also take the example of water bodies, so in that case we use the polygon feature. Polygon feature, so mainly in the GIS, like there is a different kinds of application we use. So let's have a look about the GIS application. So there is a multiple GIS related application like urban planning, environmental management, agriculture, disaster management. So GIS is a powerful tool that enables the collection, storage, analysis, and visualization of spatial and geographic data. So in water quality assessment, GIS can be used like various applications. So these are like a data integration and management. So GIS allow for the integration of the diverse data sources such as the water quality measurement, land use data, hydrological data. This create a comprehensive database that can be used for the detailed analysis. Then we can say the like special data management. So GIS manages special data effectively, facilitating the organization, retrieval, and updating the water quality data. So then second one is spatial analysis. So mapping the water quality parameters. So GIS is used to create a detailed map showing the spatial distribution of water quality parameters like pH, turbidity, dissolved oxygen, nitrates, and phosphates. So this map helps identify the pollution hotspot and areas that needs attention. So then we can say the like identifying the pollution sources. So by overlaying water quality data with land use and industrial activity maps, so GIS help the pinpoint potential for pollution sources such as agricultural runoff, industrial discharge, and sewage influence. So then let's see the temporal analysis. So we can say that change detection. So GIS can analyze the changes in water quality over time by comparing the historic data with the current data. This helps the understanding the trend, seasonal variations, and the impact of specific event yeah, or intervention of the water quality. Then last one is a visualization. So mostly in visualization, mainly one point is the thematic map. So GIS produce thematic map, the visually represent complex water quality data in the easily understandable format. So these map are useful for the communicating, finding the finding the like stakeholder or like policymakers like that. So then we can also consider the interactive maps. So WebGIS platform provide the interactive map that use can explore to view water quality data and different location at the time. So enhancing the public awareness and engagement. Then next part is a remote sensing. So remote sensing the collect the data from the distance, typically using the satellite or aircraft. Yeah, is a crucial for the monitoring and analyzing the earth surface. So the types of remote sensing sensors like active sensor and passive passive center sensors, these main two sensor types used in a remote sensing. So how remote sensing works? So remote sensing technology involves the series of the steps from the data, like acquisition to analysis, enabling the study of the various Earth process. So in my research study, like I'm going to use the satellite imagery analysis, use a multispectral images to detect and monitor the water quality, apply algorithm to identify and quantify the pollutants. Uh, then change detection, like compare the historical and current satellite access to change in land use and water quality. So let's example identify area with the increased agriculture runoff over time using the satellite imagery. So in the remote sensing satellite, mainly there is a multiple application like land use, land cover, urban planning, disaster management, forest, water source, climate studies. Then as a water quality perspective, so there is a main one topic like we can say the large scale monitoring. So in this remote sensing can be cover the large and inaccessible area, providing a comprehensive overview of the water bodies across the region. So then frequent data acquisition, like satellite regularly pass over the same location, allowing to the continuous monitoring and the detection of the temporal changes in water quality. Then we can say like satellite equipped with the optional sensor measures the reflect in the different spectral bands. So this measurement can be used to estimate the water quality indicators such as turbidity, turbidity like that. Then next one is like algorithm and data processing. So algorithm process remote sensing data, derive water quality parameters. For example, algorithm can convert the spectral reflectance data into the concentration of the uh, concentration, or we can say the total suspended solids. So then last one we can say that like data fusion. So combine remote sensing data with the ground-based observation enhances the accuracy and reliability of the water assessment. So these are the main applications in uh, of the remote sensing. Then the next one The next one is integration of GIS and remote sensing. So enhance the data analysis. First one is the enhance data analysis. So combine GIS and remote sensing data for the comprehensive analysis. Then improve the decision making, like better insight for the planning and management, we can say. Then third one like real time monitoring. So for this using the satellite data for the real time tracking and updates. So integrate GIS and remote sensing offer the powerful tool for the analysis spatial data and making informed decisions. Then let's discuss about the result and interpretation. So basically in the research part, so I'm going to use the like water quality related map. So display the maps showing the spatial distribution or key parameters like TDS, BOD and COD also. So then highlight pollution hotspot and areas need urgent interventions. Then second one like temporal analysis. So mainly showed the trends in water quality over time using a satellite data. Let's say we can take the example like graph depthing changes in nitrate level over the past decades, like that. So based on this, I'm going to display the result and interpretation part. So, and the future trends of like in the GIS and remote sensing industries, mainly AI and machine learning. So, in AI and machine learning, like enhancing the data analysis capability in futures. Then second one is most important, like real time monitoring. So in the future, like definitely increase the use of real time data with the dynamic analysis. Then sensor also are improving day by day, so development are more accurate and sophisticated sensors. uh, they also increase the like accessibility, like making GIS and remote sensing tools more accessible with various sectors. So emerging trend like AI and real-time monitoring and improve the sensors. So we'll continue to the advanced GIS and remote sensing technologies. So thank you.